Welcome to my channel.
How was your weekend?
Pretty good. I went hiking with some friends.
Did you finish the project?
Not yet, but I am almost done.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I normally have eggs and toast.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I go to the gym 3 times a week.
What are your plans for tonight?
I am going to watch a movie at home.
Have you ever been abroad?
Yes, I went to Thailand last year.
How do you usually spend your free time?
I like reading books and listening to music.
Do you prefer coffee or tea?
I usually drink coffee in the morning.
What's your favorite season?
I love winter because it's cozy.
How do you usually go to work?
I take the bus every day.
What kind of music do you like?
I enjoy pop and classical music.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I often cook dinner for my family.
How often do you use social media?
Almost every day, but not for too long.
Have you ever tried sushi?
Yes, but I didn't really like it.
What subject do you find most interesting?
I think history is fascinating.
Do you enjoy shopping?
Yes, but I try not to spend too much.
How often do you watch TV?
Maybe 2 or 3 times a week.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I spend time with my family and relax.
Do you like reading novels?
Yes, mystery novels are my favorite.
Do you prefer studying in the morning or at night?
At night, when it's quiet.
Have you ever ridden a horse?
Yes, once when I was younger.
Do you like playing games?
Yes, I enjoy both video games and board games.
Do you prefer watching movies at home or in the cinema?
At home, it feels more comfortable.
How often do you travel?
Once or twice a year, usually on holidays.
Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I can play the guitar.
What's your favorite holiday?
I really enjoy New Year's celebrations.
Do you like animals?
Yes, I have a pet cat.
What do you usually eat for lunch?
I often eat rice and vegetables.
Do you prefer books or movies?
Books, because they let me imagine more.
Have you ever been on a plane?
Yes, a few times.
Do you speak any other languages?
Yes, a little bit of Spanish.
What time do you usually wake up?
Around 6:30 in the morning.
Do you like painting or drawing?
Yes, drawing helps me relax.
What's your favorite sport?
I love playing football.
Do you prefer the city or the countryside?
The countryside, it's peaceful.
Do you like cooking at home or eating out?
I prefer cooking at home.
Have you ever been camping?
Yes, last summer with my cousins.
Do you enjoy studying English?
Yes, I find it useful and fun.
How do you usually celebrate your birthday?
With cake and close friends.
Do you prefer hot weather or cold weather?
Cold weather, I don't like sweating.
Do you listen to podcasts?
Sometimes, usually about self-development.
What's your favorite fruit?
Mangoes, they're so sweet.
Do you like going to the beach?
Yes, swimming is relaxing.
How often do you read the news?
Almost every morning.
Do you prefer mornings or nights?
Nights, I'm more active then.
Have you ever cooked for your friends?
Yes, they loved my pasta.
Do you like shopping online?
Yes, it's easy and fast.
How do you usually relax after school or work?
I listen to music or watch YouTube.
Do you prefer working in a group or alone?
In a group, because we can share ideas.
Do you like traveling by train?
Yes, it's comfortable and I enjoy the view.
That sounds nice. Maybe we can plan a trip someday.
Sure. Bye, see you later. Thanks for watching. Design plus Canva. Learning starts at home. Subscribe for more daily English.